Swedish CBD law, the strictest in the EU. In June of 2019, Sweden's highest court ruled that CBD supplements with any concentration over 0.00% THC falls under narcotics jurisdiction. This recent policy decision gives Sweden the title of strictest cannabinoid regulator within the EU. All other member states have ruled that anywhere from 0.1 to 2% THC concentration is legal. This leaves us wondering, is CBD legal in Sweden? Underpinning Sweden's recent ruling were drug charges against a man who had CBD oil in possession. What is more, the product contains slight traces of the psychotropic substance. Is CBD legal in Sweden? Currently, CBD is not classified as a food product or a medical supplement in the country. For ingested treatments, advertisers are not allowed to market their product as medically beneficial or nutritional in any way. However, lip balms and creams have no restrictions on however vendors decide to advertise them. Within the last 2 years, 8 companies have been banned by Swedish health agencies. They prohibited them to sell CBD-infused supplements and forced them to remove edible products from their shelves. The companies also had to change their advertising, or legally repossess their wares. In response, many companies who are afraid of backlash have preemptively pulled edible CBD treatments from their shelves entirely. Some have focused on more heavily marketing creams, candles, sunscreens and lotions in order to better adhere to the law. Sweden has also been behind the European Union's novel food proposal. The goal was to classify hemp and CBD as novelty foods, which require more strict and costly compliance fees than other types of food. Many medical authorities and lawmakers have pushed for increasingly harsh global regulation on the product. This is in spite of the positive applications that researchers are continually discovering. Unfortunately, it seems that it will take many statewide court battles and international petitions for the legal stance of CBD to gain clarity for both the entrepreneur and the consumer. It's not enough for vendors to hamper down on advertising. It seems that some are still being unfairly penalized in the country. This happens even when their products are technically completely legal. Research shows that CBD has numerous benefits. Researchers have demonstrated the CBD may be beneficial for a number of mental and physical health concerns. The substance can ease symptoms associated with inflammation, nerve pain, depression, anxiety, and even skin conditions. Unlike illicit narcotics, CBD is completely non-addictive and non-psychoactive. Although it makes sense for some lawmakers to be hesitant of the new treatment, most medical historians know that CBD has had a long history of usage in Sweden and other European countries. Time will tell if officials ease up on their recent suspicion of CBD as more research proves the safety of the product. Buying CBD online is both safe and legal. Over the past year, it's become difficult for consumers to find CBD products in brick-and-mortar locations such as retailers, restaurants, health food stores, or cafes. Many have turned to online alternatives in order to safely and legally procure their treatments. Online sellers often adhere more closely to the strictest international import laws in order to market to the broadest user base possible. Visit our store to explore safe, effective, and legal CBD remedies.